What's new in Simcenter 3 D2512? Model, active rotor magnet bearings in solution 414 rotor dynamics. To achieve this, the magnetic pull is modelled with bearings of negative stiffness, and the active magnet bearings are digitally controlled. To make the controllers, you leverage analytical functions as building blocks to create your transfer function. In this example, an active magnet bearing in the X direction is on the left, and we define a second on the right. We then define a digital controller in the Y direction by cloning the simulation objects and defining the degree of freedom 2, which corresponds to the Y direction. The effect of active magnet bearings can then be seen in the post-processing when we post-process the Campbell diagram and complex modes.